Hi, this is John again. This video was requested by Solutions Exist a while back. I took a little bit longer to create this video than I thought. I'll be showing you a close-up of a pair of Atlas F7 Santa Fe units. And there are three rail, obviously. So here's a close-up of the front of the locomotive with the headlights, and you have the two handrails and the door latch and electrocoupler. And then you also have the latch for the coupler that they have on full-size unit. And then you have the number board and how the windshield wipers, you have the two windshield wipers. And then we have the door. And here's the close-up of the front truck. And then the two portholes. And then a close-up of the back truck. And then here's how close the two units couplings are together. And then the other F unit's back truck. Okay, and since we'll go ahead and show you the top of it. So here's the front of the cab with the horns, and then the blowers and fans, and then the hood latches, and then the unit coupling from the top. Okay. And then we'll give you a different angle on this side. It's basically the same as the other side of the engines. Okay. So now I'll go ahead and run them just for a little bit, and then if you have more questions, I can do some more close-ups if you like that. So here's it moving without sound. And then we'll do it again with sound. So this is RPMs increasing. RPM's decreasing. Then tower.
Dispatcher here. You're cleared onto the main. Over. Roger that. All clear. Out. How's that track look? Are we clear? Over. Affirmative. The track is yours. Over. Roger that. All clear. Out.
Okay, and now the bell. In latch mode. That's just and then the horn. They're both actually playing on it at the same time, so there's a little crosstalk between them. So that's it. Let me know if there's anything